Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. In this video, I will be talking all about the artist Lisa Frank, and that is why you have found me here, rocking and rolling with this cute and colorful virtual background. The design behind me is a Lisa Frank design, and the woman that appears to be sitting back to back with me is the artist and businesswoman herself, Lisa Frank. When you're done learning with me in this video, you can check out my video, Backpack to School, and you can try the project that will challenge you to make a brightly colored, animal printed backpack in your own style. So here are some things to know about Lisa Frank. First, she was born on April 21st, 1955 in a small town in Michigan. She later in life founded her company, Lisa Frank Incorporated, way back in the early 1980s. I believe it was technically 1979, if I recall right. Anyways, throughout the 80s and early 90s, they began their career by making colorful pins and stickers for kids. A little later on, they realized that they could design for school supplies to create larger, more detailed designs, similar to that one cute little cat behind me. And it is because of this that I chose to start the new school year learning about Lisa Frank. I can connect to her designs when I think about back to school shopping. One interesting fact about Lisa Frank is that she does not show her face in public interviews or photographs. She really respects her privacy, which is probably important when you run a company as highly recognizable and as large as hers. If people were familiar with her face, she probably couldn't even get to the grocery store without someone asking her to sign their notebook or sign their folder. That might be a little tiring on Lisa Frank. Lisa Frank's Incorporated's logo is "You've Gotta Have It." And this is a fitting logo because these products used to be a really hot item to have. People really do want these items, and that's why you can still find her designs in stores today. So take a moment to reflect on what stuck with you after learning about Lisa Frank, and imagine how you might use Lisa Frank's designs as an inspiration to make back to school supplies of your own. Check out my video, Backpack to School, for more on that. And with that, friends, I'm going to say thank you for taking time to learn with me today. You all are awesome, and I wish you happy making, artists. Enjoy.